If you're thinking about getting a plumber, you probably have a lot of questions. How fast can I get helped? How much does it cost? Don't let a plumbing problem turn into an emergency. We've helped hundreds of people, and we're confident we can help you. Even if you think it's out of your reach, give us a call. You may be surprised. Our uniformed technicians are neat, efficient, and highly skilled, qualified to evaluate the problem and answer all your questions to solve your plumbing problems efficiently and accurately. We are fully licensed and insured, and have many years of experience to bring you quality, professional work. No matter the time or day, feel free to give us a call for all your plumbing needs or to get your free estimate. We look forward to serving you.
Are you looking to get the word out about your plumbing company? After looking at your plumbing business, we have determined you to be a great fit for our services. How would you like a stunning commercial for your plumbing business? Video is a powerful way to get new customers to your plumbing business. We specialize in creating commercials for plumbing. We would love to help your plumbing company get the word out.